Good morning. first time maaga nito ngayon, guys.
First time kong pumasok ngayong week na to, actually.
Congrats. That is that. Dun, dun, dun. Hi, guys. Who is this sleeping? It's right here. Sabi kasi sa kanya, ang haba naman ng kuko mo. Tapos sabi niya, hindi pa nga ako nagugupit. Ano nagugupit? Hindi pa nga ako nagugupit eh. Tapos sabi niya, kakagating ko na lang mamaya. Pinasara niya sa akin eh. So sad. But I really love the sun. Hi guys, the sun is still there. Sige, dito na lang ako. Guys, look. I'm here. The sun. So nice. You know guys, I really like it here. Like, may sama-sama. May sanimbusa. Bye-bayan tayo. Bye-bayan tayo.
Ano baybayan?
This is our house and
Bahay-bahayan.
This
Baybayan
is-
sabi ko.
this is the ano.
This is the wall.
Yeah, the wall.
The wall.
This is the restroom.
This is the window.
This is the window.
Yeah, alam na yan. Welcome to Red.
Control now. We can't even slow down. We don't have to go a while. Welcome to my house.
Hindi mo ko yung tayo ka.
Tawa na.
Sorry guys. Ayoko ako.
Bye.
Oh, is it?
Tawag niya, nag-pull out ng character. This
Sinasabi ko problema sa'yo, di ba? Hindi ka na sinisigawan, nagpapaliwanag ako. Hindi ko ba ako dito eh. Ako na pinapakain na pinapakain ako. Tao! Hindi ako makakanig, lagi ako naliligo. Matangad na pero nalito ako, mas malakas pa rin ako.
ready, go, action. Ayan, pakinggan natin.
Sa dyan niyaya na nilang mga tropa na Bakit? Yung kasama ko yun.
Hey, go, maintain papaya. Do the same exercise yung ginawa. Walang salita. Walang sinasabi.
Ina-accuse niya ako kumuha ko aton siya. Sino ba kinukuha aton siya? Ano sinasabi ko? Bakit? Andiyan ako ganun. Sabi ko lang na. Ano na? Siguro na ngayon na ako nakuha nito. Bakit sa laban?
Freeze, frozen. Lagpas niyan, hindi na yung stage. So, andito na kayo, lagpas na. O kaya sa kabila, you now call that the wing, as in pak-pak.
Hey guys. Huh?
Ginagawa mo dyan, doctor. Hindi ba naka-on yung computer ko? Is this yours? Yeah, it's mine. It's yours.
Can you still have your laptop?
Do you play like online games like
Yeah,
League of
I play
Legends or
League and
something?
CS:GO.
You play CS:GO too?
Used to. I mean, I played with my friend before.
Friend.
X, fine. Jeez.
Knew it.
Hi.
Hi. Sure, yeah. I mean, like, he taught me a lot about it, and then I just played it after.
Too
even
much
after.
info, dude. Too much.
Huh? I don't know. But, pwede ba after?
Is this me?
Papaloha mo.
Is this me?
That's my ass. Yeah. My ass has abs too.
Whose iPhone is this? You know this one?
He's
Actually,
actually
that's
doing
like
that.
Mr. Bean
He's
walk.
actually fucking doing that. Okay. But yeah.
Is he a Nazi or?
No, he's just weird.
Yeah, I know this.
No, JK.
This is for my vlog actually.
I'm disappointed what?
Raptor! Turn it off! Natutulog po yung mga kapatid ko. Isa ka.
He's like your fucking little brother.
Okay?
Yeah.
I don't know what to call him. I just like...
Download.
Raptor, on mo na nga yung ano dyan.
Yung.
Aircon dyan. Yung pinaka-middle na button.
Basta may power.
Oh, so relaxed.
Tapos tinatakpan mo naman. Hi guys!
She's not in the mood daw.
Actually po, malungkot
You know guys, meron kasi kaming groupings and you have to perform a play.
Yeah,
And
and it's a musical.
Nagkahiwa-hiwalay kami. So sad.
Ilang days na lang. It's in the showcase
Yeah.
na.
Going
We
to
only
have a
have
showcase.
4 days. Ay, naku, Halvey.
Vince, can you tie her shoe?
I'm holding a plate.
You know, a guy like that. When you Sama talaga niya, no? Yung guy na yan, sobrang sadista. Kanina niya pa ako sinasaktan. Kung pwede lang, sasapakin ko na to eh. Nakagante na ako, guys. Yes! Woo!
Bagay lang nilala.
Bakla.
46 seconds, 47, 48, 49. Chat mo ako pag pwede ka na. Oo nga. Baka 2 weeks after. Huwag ka tumakbo. Ay, wag ito. Ito haba.
Hindi pa ako makakanta.
Let it go. Huwag ka tumakbo.
Nagtutula siya.
Can you bili mo lahat na nandun? Joke lang. Sige nga, ikaw nga. Ikaw muna. Oh my God! Walang pumapansin.
Ano yan? Ano yan? Ano yan? Hindi. Tapos yung malalaki.
Dito ang napawasa. Lahat kami. Ano? Huwag na namin iwan ka. Okay na.
few inches later.
Sabay kayo, sabay. Ano ba yan? Sila. Go!
Hibad kayo.
Tawa na, tawa na. Ginagawa niya.
Hey guys, this is the first time na first bus kami sasakay.
Ayan, nag-ano na kanina.
I really like this window, you know. This is so nice.
It's nice. The face is nice.
Masanay na kayo guys. Sa lahat ng video ko, lahat sinabi niya ganyan. Because I love the sun. And then,
Paano to?
saktong-sakto siya sa bintana.
Paano to? Bakit?
Bye-bye!
So nice. So nice. Look at this.
Like this. You have to... Really, really beautiful. Oh, my kulay.
I am really, really beautiful.
I mean, she
Let me
bit
try to
me.
get me. Let me try to get me.
Wanna bit me.
Yeah, kasi.
Yep. Look at this
Hindi,
guy.
galing sa bibig ko. Grabe naman ah.
Come here, Mom. You bit me.
Ito yun eh.
Oh, my kulay.
Tatlo yung mahilig sa gitara.
Ow! Bit me.
Loko daw kan kita gano'n.
I didn't remember the guy driving. Oh, it looked like a cockroach. Are you all done? First time na lahat kami magsi-CR. So, squad goes. Are you done? 1, 2. Tapos na? Lumabas na kayo? Nasa si Vanna. Sinong gusto ng usok ng sigarilyo? Congratulations, guys! Ayoko nun. You know when some guys are smoking? Sorry guys for... Oh my god. Someone is smoking in here. Sorry guys if you're smoking, ha? I didn't mean to offend someone, but I don't like it. For me, I don't like it. So guys, I really like this. very youthful. Very cheap. 48 pesos. And then let's buy her a cake kung may pasok. Yeah. Happy birthday. Never been to that store. No guys. Meron akong pinsan. 4 years old lang siya. And minsan lang siya makapunta sa mga ganito. And then, sabi ko, ang pangalan niya is Rusty. And then sabi ko, look at your name, it's here. Sabi ko sa kanya, ako nagpasilat ko. And amazed na amazed siya. It's, sinabi ko talaga yun. You know, kids are so cute. Pwede mo silang loko-loko. You know guys, kung gaano kainit sa Pilipinas.
This one! Try to copy me! Like this. They are crazy. Don't bind them. Oy!
Guys.
Jason!
Oh my god. Let's go guys. I don't want myself here. It's really embarrassing. Thank you. No, sa CCTV, feeling ko papanoorin nila again and again.
Grabe naman sila.